Often we get affected by small things. They spoke like this. They should not speak it to me like this. How did they say this to me? Etc. Then we create a thought. They hurt me. The situation for such that my mind got disturbed. But is it your reaction depends on how they behave and situation happened? Well, no, because they are outside. The situation happened outside. They are doing their job outside, but not inside our mind. We created inside that I am hurt because they say this to me. I am hurt because of such situation. So let's do one thing from today and create thought that they are different soul. They have a different journey and different knowledge. They say according to their capacity of knowledge. The situation happened outside. It cannot make me unstable inside. And I created the pain inside by reacting to them. Through this, we save ourselves from their vibration and the situation. Because when we allow us to get affected by their words and according to their situation, we create disturbance inside and become a slave and create emotional illness for us. They will go after they say their words as the situation comes and goes. But what we create trouble in our mind by thinking about those words and situation again and again, it will remain same. Always remember, situation means what others are being on that state of mind and how they behave on the basis of their knowledge at that moment. But what and how we react at that situation, that is totally up to us. Because how we create thought and react at that moment will decide our upcoming future. Our brain is efficiently designed that what we think, we react according to our thought and send vibration to the present moment. It will create the same situation for the future. So basically, what professional leaders do and believe, they believe that what they react according to their thoughts, they will create the same situation for everyone. Suppose someone is abusing you very badly and you create the thought inside. Maybe the person is restless inside today and don't know how to solve it by self. I should help that person to become well. See, isn't it simple? But at that moment, if we behave the same, the person is behaving with us, then we create the same restlessness and pain inside us. As a result, our thoughts and reaction will hurt us along with them. So always think and check your state of mind before you create thought inside and react outside. Thank you.